Now, what have I got to say if I'm always advising you that you should have been using problem solving strategies? Well, two main things is, first of all, just have a little mental list of your main problem solving strategies, and when you're stuck with a question, ask yourself if you should have used them. So I'm talking about drawing a diagram, I'm talking about working backwards, I'm talking about Dear Mr. Examiner, talking about where have I seen this before, and talking about cases, and obviously naming, stating and equating. So just having that little list of 5 or 6 or 7 main ones that either you know are important or which I'm always picking up on your failure to use. What I'm saying is that when you're in question 9 or 10, or you're unexpectedly stuck on question 2, just think, should I have drawn a diagram? Maybe I should be working backwards. Maybe I should use Dear Mr. Examiner, and then eventually one of those will do the trick. So that's my first piece of advice. Then the second piece of advice is to do dedicated practice on this. I've made a booklet called the Problem Solving Toolkit, which has a related section of questions that I've drawn from various sources, including the Maths Challenge. And by doing dedicated practice, so going and practicing a Dear Mr. Examiner technique question 10 times, or doing 5 different cases questions, either in a massed lot or spread out over the year, will tremendously help you on this. I guess what I'm saying is that problem solving shouldn't be something you do just at the end of having mastered a particular topic. It should be something that you take very seriously and practice in a dedicated way. I guess I'm saying that when you're practicing the cases strategy, you shouldn't just use it when it happens to come up in other topics. You should sit down and say, I'm going to practice the cases strategy, I'm going to do 5 examples in a row of the cases strategy. Or I'm going to schedule 5 examples of the cases strategy over the year and do them then, rather than just leaving it to chance.